Hello guys, how are you all? Redmi, after the success of Redmi Note 7 and Redmi Note 7 Pro, going to launch a new super selfie camera phone from its Y series, that is Redmi Y3. Redmi Y3 is an Amazon exclusive and it is launching on 24th April 2019. So Redmi Y3 basically a super selfie camera phone with 32 MP of selfie camera, which is the same camera that we have seen in Mi 9. Let us see the other specs of Redmi Y3. Redmi Y3 is having a dot-notch display of 6-inch IPS LCD display with HD Plus resolution. Redmi Y3 is powered by Snapdragon 660 clocked at 2.2 GHz coupled with 3 GB of RAM. 4 GB RAM variant will also be available. 64 GB of internal storage gives it a huge storage. The camera of the Redmi Y3 is an attractive feature of this phone. There is a dual rear camera of 12 MP plus 5 MP. This is the same camera we have seen in Redmi Note 5 Pro. It is having a 32 MP of selfie camera, which is a super selfie camera, which we have already seen in Mi 9. So this is a camera section of this phone, which is a highlight of this phone. So battery is Redmi Y3 is coming with a decent battery of 3300 mAh with no fast charging support. So these are all the attractive features of Redmi Y3, which is coming at a very aggressive pricing of $9,999 or $120. So the date of launch is, it is an Amazon exclusive, launching on Amazon on 24th of April 2019. So the 4 GB variant price is still not known. So this is a Y3, that is Redmi Y3 with a super selfie camera. If you like this phone, please hit the like button. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and please do subscribe our channel for such kind of tech related, smartphones related videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.